Hey YouTubers, it's 2005 Nissan Sentra this time. 1.8, no start. Cranking, no start. No codes. Alright? The sound that it makes when it cranks, I'm gonna crank it up and maybe you can hear it. It's real talent. It sounds funny. It may not be an electronic issue at all. So we'll go into data and we'll look at the timing numbers. First thing I like to do. Okay, and there's the timing. Yeah, and go up. And we're looking at the last two lines. The first one is the opening of the solenoid. The second one is the actual timing number in degrees. What it shows is the difference between the cam and the crank sensor phases. Okay, so I'm going to crank it and we're going to watch the last highlighted number. This one highlighted. Okay, it made an attempt to start. It showed a real bad number as far as timing. It showed up to, I saw 60 degrees. What it should be 0 or plus minus. Usually it's, what is it? Usually it's retarded a few degrees. Usually it's -2, -3, 0. Perfect, but not 60. Let's try it again. And it's all over. The timing is all over. Goes up, down. I'm thinking it needs a timing job. It's quite clear that timing is not straight. It looks like it's it may be chain that is just loose, and I'm really not sure at this point. Oil pressure is very important for those timing problems, right? You know, you start losing oil pressure, and then you lose your tension, and then the chain goes. So I would recommend a timing job and see how they can finish it off. Okay. All right. Thank you. Please subscribe.